Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you Super Mario characters tier list. Okay, it's S, A, B, C, D, and wait, what? Alright, S is Mario. I really liked his character. Also Luigi, Toad, Toaded, Princess Peach, Princess Daisy, the, Wario, Waluigi, Baby Mario, Baby Luigi, um, um, wait, what? Poland, or Rosalina, Yoshi, Birdo. Well, my A is Piranha Plant, Shy Guy, and Bowser, Pink Gold Peach, Metal Mario, and PT Piranha D, but it's worth. It's the E for. Okay, Diddy Kong, uh, King Boo, Goomba, Koopa Troopa, Lucky 2, Donkey Kong. Here go. Mm, you Kamek, Hammer Bro, Bowser Jr., um, Dry Bones, and Koopalins. Ludwig 1 Koopa, Lemmy, Roy Koopa, Iggy Koopa, mm, Morton, and Larry Koopa. Well, here's my favorite characters. S is Mario, Luigi, Toad, Toadette, Peach, Daisy, Wario, Waluigi, Baby Mario, Baby Luigi, Paulina, Rosalina, Yoshi, Birdo, Bowser, Pin Gold, Peach, Metal Mario, Diddy Kong, Donkey Kong, Bowser Jr., Ludwig Wong, Lemmy, Wendy, Mortal, Larry. A is Piranha Plant, Shy Guy, Goomba, Koopa, Lakitu, Roy, Iggy. B is Kamek, Hammer Bro. C is Kembu. D is PT Piranha and the Drawing Ball. Well guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, watch for these videos, rate my videos, write comments about this video. I need 40 subscribers, I'm gonna show you my room. And next video is Papa Louie characters tier list. Bye!